channel and happy Thanksgiving. So today I filmed a get ready with me for my Thanksgiving look, and this is it. And I just wanted to say an intro because during this video I don't talk. I'm just gonna have music and it's gonna be cute and fun, and yeah, and I just hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving with your family and love on the people that love you and eat good. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, that was my get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you look good this Thanksgiving. I hope you eat good this Thanksgiving. I hope everyone is just loving everybody and having a good time. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. It's hannahwhitlock. Follow me on dote. It's hannahwhitlock. And yeah, bye guys.